everybody. It's Jack from Jack Gately Real Estate. Let's take a look at the Plymouth real estate market for November 2023. And as always, let's take a look at pricing. The average single-family home in Plymouth sold for $689 last month. And year over year, that's actually not a big gain because last October it was $680. So just a little bit of a gain. And you can see by the chart, we've been on a roller coaster over the last year, but prices tend to be moving a little bit closer to that 700 number. Not quite 700, but it wouldn't surprise me if market conditions remain the same that we again touch or at least test the 700 number fairly soon. Sellers remain in control, getting 101% of their list price. So you have to bid up the property just a teeny bit in order to get your offer accepted on average. This again is the ratio between the original list price and the final sales price. Just a little bit more than the list price and you'll be good. Days to offer remains steady. This is the same number as the statewide number, 22 days. In other words, you put your home on the market on the first of the month, and on average for a single family home, you'll accept an offer on day 22, call it 3 weeks. Now, some properties are going to have an accepted offer within 3 or 4 days. Some might take many, many more weeks. Everything's relative, and this is just an average, of course. But on average, 3 weeks to sell your house until you get an accepted offer. Then add about 6 more weeks after that to complete the entire process. So just call it 10 weeks. And as I mentioned in my statewide market update, we've had a lot of movement in the mortgage rates over the last, say, 6 weeks. We had a big run-up during the month of October, and then last week, a big drop in interest rates. And this is definitely something that is going to move the market. I don't think that we're going to see any sizable unlocking of the rate lock, so to speak, unless we go below 7%. I do believe that 7% is kind of like the psychological level. Because if you get interest rates into the 6s, then I think people are going to be like, okay, now's the time to buy. And then people will be like, okay, now we can afford to sell. And that would change the marketplace. However, I don't think we're actually going to make it into the 6s. I think interest rates are going to creep back up again. That's just my view. I could be wrong. I'd be happy to be wrong, but I don't think I am. But time will tell. In the meantime, I'm Jack from Jack Gately Real Estate. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next month. Bye-bye.